Dr. Werner's love of Skaneateles Lake runs deep. As a retired professor at SUNY ESF, Dr. Robert G. Werner has a lot of valuable experience in aquatic ecology that became important in his love of Skaneateles Lake. Aquatic ecology is the study of the environment and bodies of water. Walking along the shores near the lake where he grew up in a small town in Indiana, Dr. Werner first learned to love the beauty that lakes had to offer. Perhaps this love prompted him to further investigate the potential threat to the lake he now calls home. Upon learning that this threat was real, he knew immediately that he wanted to use his knowledge in aquatic ecology to help preserve the beauty of our lake.
This threat that we have to come to know is called milfoil. Milfoil is a tall plant that can grow up to 20-foot deep water. This plant spreads extremely rapidly, which makes a recurring problem. Why did he want to get rid of it?
There's a couple of reasons why it's very important to control milfoil in Skaneateles Lake. It grows up to 15, 20, maybe 25 feet in height. It will reach the surface of the lake when it becomes badly contaminated, and when it does, it is literally impossible to swim in those areas. It's almost impossible to get a boat through those kinds of areas.
To figure out how to get rid of it, Dr. Werner traveled to nearby lakes to study what their methods were. After a year of researching, he finally came up with two solutions for this ongoing problem. One technique was hand picking. This was when divers would go down deep in the lake and grab the milfoil by the roots to try and prevent the regrowth of the plant. Another method was matting. Matting was when divers would go down again to the bottom of the lake and place a mat over an area of milfoil to prevent the plant from growing to the surface of the water. This technique, however, only works when the bottom of the lake in areas is flat. Hand picking works when the terrain is sloped. This whole process costed nearly $2 million.
As a result of his hard work, Dr. Werner earned a Citizen of the Year award. His inspiration for the project was based on how he thinks Skaneateles Lake is so unique and clear. As a community, we are very grateful that caring people took on this project. Without Dr. Werner's hard work, our lake would not be as pristine as we know it today. From the deep love that he has for our great community, he contributed to helping Skaneateles Lake continue to thrive.
So what would Skaneateles be like without the lake? We never had to think about this because Dr. Robert G. Werner got this dreadful plant under control. Thank you, Dr. Werner, for all your hard work. Our community greatly appreciates it.